Bonjour! Today we're cooking a little French style. Now I know it's difficult to travel right now, but that doesn't mean you can't taste the world from your kitchen with your slow cooker. Now to get your hands on your own slow cooker, you know what to do. Follow the link, sign up to our newsletter and answer one simple question and you'll go into the draw. That quick and easy, just like this recipe. For this recipe, you will need 8 chicken thighs, 1 onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of thyme, salt and pepper, 1 cup of stock, 1 cup of cream, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 1 can of crushed tomatoes, mushrooms, pasta and parsley to serve. So our first step is to brown off our chicken. A little bit of prep goes a long way with a slow cooker. Once that's done, you can fry a few onions. And there you go, you're ready to get slow cooking. So my chicken's in my pot and I'm gonna get ready with my sauce. I've got chicken stock here, Worcestershire sauce, some garlic and some mustard. And give that a nice stir. Now what I'm gonna start off with is my onions. We fried that off earlier and we're gonna add that to our chicken. Then we're going to take our crushed can of tomatoes and add my chicken stock. I'm going to give this a gentle stir. I'm going to pop on the lid, make sure it's on high, and in 3 to 4 hours, dinner's going to be served. The best part about using a slow cooker is I've been binge watching Netflix the last 3.5 hours while this baby does all the work. And what a good job it's done. Wow, this looks incredible. The chicken is almost falling off the bone. We are 3 ingredients away from absolute perfection. What I'm gonna do is add some corn flour to my cream. Pour this. And then we're gonna add some mushrooms. I've pan fried my mushrooms with some thyme, some olive oil and some butter. Pop the lid on, and I'm gonna go enjoy the last 30 minutes of my show and be back just in time for supper. If only my French was as good as my cooking, I'd be able to say something magical. So you're just gonna have to settle for this. And I'm very, very happy with it. I'm serving my chicken Diane on a bed of fettuccine pasta. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, some black pepper, parsley. Oh, this looks too good not to taste. I'm gonna jump right in right now. This tastes magical. To make this dish and so many more, go enter our competition. Good luck and happy cooking.